I'm walking into a buffet past the fake plants and down the stairs into a room where they have many handwritten signs filled with rules and instructions about how to operate while visiting the buffet. The buffet was big enough for my family. We didn't share plates because the rules said it wasn't allowed. The buffet had carpet
With $5,
and
you
tile
can have
and
these
linoleum
wonderful
too.
toys to play with while at the buffet. My dad chose a simple egg or spring roll first. His hands swept past several buffet items before arriving at the end of the buffet. I watched him move his hands slow and effortlessly as he grabbed a long black-handled spoon, and then he'd done it. He'd built a nice variety of colorful buffet items. I was hopeful that the spoon would be hot enough to slightly burn my dad's hand, just enough for him to feel alive, but not too hot to cause permanent burns. If you're looking to waste food, then beware that this buffet will punish you financially for your buffet folly. So choose wisely what you pick from the buffet. Here's a view from our table at the buffet. The large birds on the decorative glass are etched into the glass, just like the many buffet rules or buffet code is etched into my mind. My dad went to the buffet restroom. He asked me to capture these final moments before we left this buffet. We hope that you've enjoyed our buffet today. Please like and follow us for more buffet content.